97 years on, and an experiment that almost everyone forgot is still quietly unfolding. An experiment so slow, so patient, it has earned its place as the world's slowest scientific trial. It began in 1927. In a small laboratory in Australia, physicist Thomas Purnell set out to challenge a simple assumption. A strange black substance called pitch, brittle enough to shatter with a hammer, might not be solid at all. He believed it was a liquid, just unimaginably slow. To prove it, he heated the pitch until it softened and poured it into a glass funnel. Then he waited and waited. It took 3 years, 3 silent, uneventful years, before the pitch cooled and the experiment could officially begin in 1930. What followed was a masterclass in patience. 8 years passed before the first drop finally slipped free. 9 more for the second. And before the third drop could fall, Purnell was gone. But the experiment refused to die with him. Generation after generation of scientists kept watch as time crawled forward. A drop every decade, sometimes even slower. Today, nearly a century later, only 9 drops have ever fallen. 9 moments separated by entire eras of human history. But those 9 drops confirmed something extraordinary. Pitch is a liquid 20 billion times more viscous than water, and 2 million times thicker than honey. An experiment measured not in minutes, not in years, but in lifetimes. Still dripping, still teaching, still flowing, almost imperceptibly into history.